Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Amazon account. So if you also want to create Amazon account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So creating the Amazon account is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Amazon.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Amazon basically is an online retailer that sells a wide variety of products and offers entertainment services. So if you also want to create Amazon account, it is actually very simple. Right over here at top right you'll be able to find several options. Over here you'll be able to find the option for account and lists. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find several options over here. If you already have the account, you can simply click on the sign in option and log into your account. But if you want to create new Amazon account, for that simply click on the option start here that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create the Amazon account. All you have to do is enter these details that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, enter your first name and last name over here. After that, what you have to do is provide the mobile number or email. Simply click on the field of mobile number or email. Now enter the mobile number or email over here. Now after you enter the mobile number or email, you'll have to create the password for yourself. Your password must be at least 6 characters. So simply create a password for yourself. For that you'll have to re-enter your password. Simply type your password again. Now after you fill in all of the details, what you have to do is click on the option verify email that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to verify your email address. An OTP will be sent to your email. So all you have to do is open email, simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here the email will be opened. Over here you can see Amazon has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now over here you'll be able to see the OTP. Simply memorize this OTP. Go back to the Amazon tab. Now what you have to do is enter that OTP over here. Now after you enter the security code, what you have to do is click on the option create your Amazon account that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here your Amazon account will easily be created. So that is how you create Amazon account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.